Why is it important to train people on FAIR data? For rare diseases, data are fragmented around the world, and it's very important because they're rare, so the data is also in sparse around the world. But for our research, we do need to be able to combine and ask questions across that data around the world. So we need to train people on how to make data available in a findable, accessible, interoperable and reusable way, so that it can be used and that queries can be sent around the world and that questions for patients, for clinicians, for researchers can be returned, so ultimately to improve the lives of people living with a rare disease. So why do FAIR principles, how will they have a long-term impact for rare diseases? Well, one of my dreams is that ultimately now when we want to do research or analyze rare disease data, then most of the researchers spend at least half a year, maybe longer, sometimes years, on making the data from different places ready to be able to use. So ideally we limit that to almost zero. So then you can have instant meetings with different data scientists and clinicians and patients, and then in real time solve problems with FAIR data at hand. And at the same time, now that AI and machine learning is coming up, that will have continuously machine learning and AI algorithms running to, as more data becomes available, to provide solutions for people living with a rare disease. Oh, wow, is there a message for the whole world? Maybe adopt FAIR principles, learn about it, become more aware, become more digitally competent, also our decision makers, so that we can really start implementing FAIR and that people invest in it. In the end, it will save money.